one great bear hug from her to me. I imagine blue horizons from here on in. From here you can travel all around the globe. It's easy, you just make it up as you go. Oh, swing high, swing low by the jungle floor. She's a little adventure that's hard to hold down. I'll try to make her stay. She's gonna make it up to the highest mountain. She's gonna break away. What if I were a tiger making antelope stew? You could be a crocodile, too, a kangaroo, but anything could happen here in the jungle room. Hitch a hammock ride, bear it down to threads. We could drift the Amazon on our riverbeds. We got ourselves a first-class ticket now. We're gonna get there soon. She's a little adventure that's hard to hold down. I'll try to make her stay. She's gonna make it up to the highest mountain. She's a little adventurer that's hard to hold down. I'll try to make her stay. She's gonna make it up to the highest mountain. One day she'll fly away. How I'll miss her on that morning. One day she'll fly away. I hope she'll be back again someday. Again someday. Again someday.